How are you? I hope you are also fine. Today I have brought a video for you related to trigonometry identities. Today I have to understand how to solve this question. We we make you try to understand. So you watch from beginning to end without any skipping. So now let us start the video. In this video we have to prove a square plus b square in bracket a square plus b square is equal to 1 if cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to a cube and sec theta minus cos theta is equal to b cube. Then cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to a cube. From this value we can change the cosec theta into 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta minus sin theta is equal to a cube. Now 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta is equal to a cube. Now you know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So cos square theta by sin theta is equal to a cube. Now from this value we can change sec theta into 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to b cube. 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta is equal to b cube. Sin square theta by cos theta is equal to b cube. This from this value now find the value of b. Therefore 3 is transferred to LHS, then 3 is converted into power 1 by 3. So sin square theta by cos theta whole to the power 1 by 3 is equal to b. Similarly, we get find the value of a. Cos square theta by sin theta whole to the power 1 by 3. Now take LHS. A square b square, a square plus b square. Now multiply a square b square into a square. We get a to the power 4 b square plus a square plus b multiplied by b square. Then we get a square b to the power 4. Then a to the power 4 is split into a cube into a b square plus a square. Then b square is split into b cube into b. Putting the value of a and b cube from this value, the a cube cos square theta by sin theta, value of a cos square theta by sin theta का power 1 by 3 plus b value of b sin square theta by cos theta power 1 by 3 a into square whole square plus a cos square theta by sin theta power 1 by 3 whole to the power 2. This is the value of a square. Now put the value of b cube from this. Sin square theta by cos theta into b, putting the value of b, sin square theta by cos theta to the power 1 by 3. Then we can write power to the power, then multiplied the power cos square theta by sin theta cos 2 by 3 theta by sin to the power 1 by 3 theta into sin to the power 4 by 3 theta by cos to the power 2 by 3 theta plus cos to the power 4 by 3 theta to the power sin to the power 2 by 3 theta into sin square theta by cos theta into sin to the power 2 by 3 theta by cos to the power 1 by 3 theta. Then sin theta and sin 1 by 3 theta is cancelled by sin to the power 4 by 3 theta and cos to the power 2 by theta cancelled by cos to the power 2 by 3 theta. Similarly, cos theta cos 1 by 3 theta is cancelled by cos to the power 4 by 3 theta. Sin to the power 2 by 3 theta is cancelled by sin to the power 2 by theta. Then rest value cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This value is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Thank you. My watching video.